Terms of projects right now, guys, I just finished the Mirabelle costume today. So, I ordered a wig because I'm gonna have to do a wig commission for somebody. But that's not gonna arrive for a little bit. It's not gonna arrive, tomorrow. So, what can we work on now? Um, okay, yeah, all right. I have a few bits and pieces things that I do need to do. I have a photo shoot booked for my Scourge costume in October. And I just need to fix a few things on it, like I need to glue something back onto it. Otherwise it's fine. Just one or two Velcro attachments came undone. So I need to fix that just to make sure skirt is ready for the shoot. And then there's a few little things I wanted to do on the ghoul. Like I want to do a new belt buckle for it. So I have like a little resin scorpion, like a little scorpion in resin, except it's got a glow in the dark backing on it, and I want to sand that off. So that I can put it onto the new belt buckle. And I might do like a little border around that just to make it look natural, so it doesn't just look like I glued a resin scorpion onto a belt buckle. Make it look like it's a little bit more integrated into the thing. I need to fix my glove for the ghoul. And I wanted to try to do a few little embroidered designs on the belt. We'll see if that actually wants to work though, because my sewing machine might be like, dude, no, what are you doing? I think that's it. I might want to weather my spurs a little bit for that. And then yeah, other than that for the ghoul, the next thing I'm gonna want to do after I just make the little few changes to the costume itself and do a few minor repairs, is I want to learn how to make some prosthetics so that I can do the makeup a lot easier anytime I want to wear it, because I do really like the costume and I feel really comfortable as the character, so that's always nice. I don't have to like it's one of those characters where I don't have to worry about looking good. I can just exist and chill and just be. I always love those types of characters. I was so comfortable being like Junkrat and Beetlejuice and stuff like that. You're not supposed to try to be pretty as those characters. You can just kind of exist and let your guard down, you know? Which I'm always a fan of. No IG model. Gonna mark both of these. Trim it up. I'm gonna see what I need to iron potentially. But Yeah, I'm slowly digging myself out of the hole. And I'm gonna go ahead and call it the COVID hole. I am. What's crazy, I don't understand how this happened with the in the in the heart of the pandemic is I kind of technically had all the time in the world to work on stuff. And I was like, "Oh, awesome. I'm going to catch up to like the things that I needed to do like, because I moved a couple times. Like I'm going to finally catch up with that backlog." And somehow it just didn't happen. I don't understand how I didn't. It felt like I molasses. Like I felt like I was moving at molasses pace. Yeah, I would love to reach a day where I've just caught up with all the projects and I can just like have one or two new projects at a time. Like one of my like my project and a commission or something like that. And like a few tiny miscellaneous things. That's what I would love. So yeah, before I go tuck these in there, I want to see what I might have to iron. I think I want to maybe iron things upwards or benefit from being ironed upwards. I believe it would. Okay, let's turn our iron on and we'll get some of that situated. Okay, one of these is going to be the lining on the inside, so I don't want to iron this because it's already exactly how I want it. This is not the lining, so this one, the only thing I'm ironing on it is this upwards to have a nice crispy edge. And for that, I'm going to use my sleeve board. Um, yeah, I'm going to iron it upwards. I just did the exact same thing twice. My clapper, this. I don't know if you're still here, Lars, but I hope you're getting that knot figured out. Don't know who's boss. Have to fill that up with more water. I need more water in general. Hmm. I'm just wondering right now, do I want to secure this upwards? Just so that I'm really sure it doesn't move anywhere. I kind of do. So I'll probably sew it as well. Okay, I'm gonna put that here. I'll just sew around that before we connect it. Sorry. Okay, same thing with this one. No, not use the clapper since I'm going to be sewing it.